You can go on Google and you can search your AppsBuilder. You can click here to open this URL. Now you can click on create app button. You will have to paste your HTML. You can visit on this website. You can check description of this video to visit on this website. You can click on this 3 line. Now you can click on YouTube thumbnail downloader button. You can scroll down. Here you can see HTML code. You can select all of this code. Now you can copy this HTML code. You can go on AppsBuilder platform and you can paste here that HTML code. Here you can see preview of your application. In next step, you can type here your app name. You can type here your contact email address. Now you can click on next step button. Now you can upload here your app icon. You can click on next step button. You can click on download button. Now you will have to create account on this platform. You can type here your email address. You can type here your password. And at last you can click on sign up button. You can also continue with Google or continue with Facebook. Here is showing application. Here is showing download button. You can click on download button. Click on download APK button. As you can see, your app is building. Here you can see installation instructions. Now I'm going to install this application in my Android device. You can also visit on App Creator 24 platform and you can sign in on this platform. Now you can click on create app button. You can type here your app name. You can select your app icon. You can select your language. You can type your app description. And at last you can click on next button. You can click on sections button. You can click on create section button. You can select your HTML option. You can click here, click on next button. You can type your section title. Now you can paste here that HTML code. You can visit on this website. You can copy this HTML code. Go on App Creator 24 platform and paste here that HTML code. Click on save button. You can click here to download your application in APK format. Let me show you how it works. You can visit on YouTube and you can copy URL of any of this video. Now you can visit on your application and you can paste your YouTube video URL. You can click on first thumbnail button. Here is showing thumbnail. You can click here to download this thumbnail. Guys, similarly you can make another application. You can visit on my website and you can click on this 3 line. Here you can see I have shared HTML code for note taking application, HTML code for currency and measurement converter. You can click here to visit on this page. Here you can see HTML code for note taking application. You can use this HTML code to make note taking application.